Hello. To use the ai.coitbox.com, you must first, of course, click on this link. Click on get started. Typically, you will get an OTP in your email or WhatsApp. You need to fill the OTP in, and you would get to this particular home page where you have uh, seven major blocks to choose from: operations, marketing, sales, finance, HR, strategy, and compliance. For the strategy bit, where the reason why I'm making this particular video is to basically generate your core values, and of course the one page business plan. It's fairly simple. All you need to do is simply click on the launch tool and start using the tool, and here you will basically be answering a few set of questions, and keep clicking on next, and eventually you will have the result at your uh, disposal. All the modules that you'll be using, they will all be generated and will also be parked here on the top right hand side corner. So I've just clicked on the generated plans. Here you can see all the plans that I've already generated. To view any of this at a later point of time, you can simply click on any one of these and it will open up, and you can then copy this and paste it anywhere and edit it if you need to use this, or um, edit this any further. You can just download this as PDF or make a copy of this entire thing. Okay, thank you. I hope that helps.